We're back at it again with another Star Wars cocktail from Oga's Cantina, this time for the legendary Ewoks. Love them or hate them, you have to try Yub Nub. Their little dance, they dance around, they go, Yub Nub. Like they just crushed the Empire's cute little teddy bears. I don't know what it's all about, but let's make this drink. So this is another situation. I'm teaching you guys how to make these drinks, but how to also save money while making these drinks. Now, at Disney, they call for Malibu pineapple, which is actually really cheap. I wanna say it's like $13 for a bottle. But again, why not buy a nice bottle of white rum? Even Bacardi, in my opinion, is better than Malibu. As much as I, other times love Malibu, it is just so sweet. It is a little artificial. Let me teach you how to make some pineapple rum at home. It's super easy. Slice up some chunks of pineapple, throw the core in there too, because that's the only way you're gonna use the core is in this infusion. I don't know what else you'd use it for. Let it sit for a few days and then strain it out. Boom, delicious pineapple vodka. And because Malibu's is a lot lighter, easier to drink, not as strong by any measurements, you can always add a little bit of water, and that way you're gonna get the same flavor that you do at Disney. Now that you have your either infused pineapple vodka or the Malibu pineapple, it's time to actually make this drink. So let's start with 1.5 ounces of our Malibu pineapple, or our at-home edition, 1.5 ounces of Sailor Jerry's spiced rum, or whatever you have available. Now here is where it starts to get a little bit tricky. Disney calls for citrus juices, and I'm gonna take that as a little bit of lime and a little bit of orange, because I don't think they're importing a lot of new stuff for this. So let's add in 1.5 ounces of orange juice. Let's add in 3/4 ounce of lime juice. My favorite thing about lime juice or any citrus is you always find where your new cuts are, or cuts you didn't know you had. Next, we add 1 ounce of pineapple juice. We don't need to overdo it. We already have that pineapple rum in there. And finally, we need a little bit of a passion fruit taste in there. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of passion fruit puree. Add in your ice. Next, you'll grab a tiki glass and fill it with crushed ice. I have a beautiful clear one so you guys can see the color we want. We're not done yet. Disney kind of outdid themselves with this one. Not a lot of people are gonna be able to find this, and this is not what's gonna make this cocktail good or bad, but they put fresh passion fruit right on top. So we're gonna slice this open. Maybe. There we go. Oh, this one does not look right, but. Oh, it tastes really good. Top it all off with Disney's over-the-top passion fruit garnish right on top of that. It looks so gross, but it actually is really good. I love passion fruit. There we go. That is it. That is Yub Nub juice. Let's try it. I feel like I'm a little Ewok, a little teddy bear. Yub Nub. Yub Nub. Yeah, this is great. This is just like Disney. Perfectly sweet, perfectly balanced. Really fun flavors. I feel like passion fruit is severely underrated. And you don't even need the passion fruit on top. Honestly, it's hard to find a ripe one, at least if you're as uneducated on passion fruit like me. Supposedly, they should taste sweet. If they're sour, they're not ripe. That's what I've heard. And that one actually, despite looking, I guess the seeds are always gonna be darker. I thought they were yellow though, but what do I know? Anyway, and that's all there is to it. We have Yub Nub juice. We have drank just like the Ewoks did that night they destroyed the Empire. That's all there is to it. Super simple, super easy. Another drink from Oga's Cantina is down. Join me in the next video as I continue taking down Disney. Yeah, they're so funny. I think that's how their song goes. They're like just dancing. Yeah.